Data transfer within and between networks are assisted by various devices, which we want to discuss now. In this video, you will get an idea how hubs, switches, gateways, and routers are working. A hub is a centralized half-duplex device to connect your network devices together to an internal network. At the center of a star network, it accepts with its multiple ports Ethernet connections from network devices. A hub is not considered to be intelligent because it rebroadcasts any signal receiving from one device to all other devices on the network. To tell it in another word, when data arrives to one of its ports, a copy of this is sent to all of the other ports. This is a big disadvantage, which not only causes security concerns, but also unnecessary traffic on the network. And think about all the devices connected to a hub are competing for immediate usage. Data collision can occur when two devices transmit simultaneously. Another reason to avoid a hub for messaging that require immediate response. You would characterize the hub as a level 1 device. If you want to send the data package straight to the destination without spamming the entire network, that is what switches do. Unlike a hub, a switch is intelligent. A switch can actually learn the physical addresses of the devices that are connected to it, and it stores these physical addresses, called MAC addresses, in its table. But how do so? Let's start with an empty table. Computer A sends a data package to computer D, as the switch does not know where D is, so it just behaves like a hub and spams every computer. But it is learning. By checking the MAC address as a part of the data package, it learns that computer A can be found on port 1. If computer C sends now a data package to computer A, the switch can directly send the data to computer A without floating the entire network. Also, a new entry to the MAC table can be done. So when a data package is sent to a switch, it's only directed to the intended destination port. Switches are also full duplex devices that allow data signals to flow simultaneously in both directions. That means each port has its own collision domain. As a result, switches are far more preferred as hubs, because they reduce any unnecessary traffic on the network. If you want to start a LAN party, you probably would need a switch. To characterize a switch within the OSI model, it is a level 2 device. Because the information sent also includes, for example, the MAC address, the information is also named as frame. A gateway is an active network node that can connect two networks that are physically incompatible with each other and/or use a different addressing. Gateways couple the most different protocols and transmission methods. Here you see an example of the field of automation. Gateway can work on all layers of the OSI layer model. A router can be seen as a doorway out of your internal network into the outside world, what you call internet. A router can be seen as a network connecting device. Because a router not only uses the MAC address of the computer, but also the IP address, it can be classified as layer 3 device. The information sent is called data package. Watch also our next videos.